Welcome to our video on top 5 gadgets to take on your next trip. If you're someone who loves to travel, then you know how important it is to have the right tools to make your trip as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. In this video, we'll be sharing a list of must-have gadgets for travelers, highlighting their features and functions, as well as any pros and cons. We'll also be sharing tips and tricks on how to use these gadgets effectively while traveling, so you can make the most out of your trip. So, whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a longer trip, make sure to stick around. Portable charger. This is a must-have for any traveler. A portable charger is a small device that you can use to charge your phone or other electronic devices on the go. Look for one with a high-capacity battery and multiple USB ports. Noise-canceling headphones. These are perfect for blocking out background noise on flights or trains. They also come in handy when you want to listen to music or podcasts without being disturbed. Travel pillow. A good travel pillow can make all the difference on a long flight or train ride. Look for one that is comfortable, inflatable, and easy to pack. Smart luggage. Smart luggage is a new category of luggage that comes with built-in technologies such as GPS tracking, USB charging ports, and even a built-in scale. These features can be very useful for travelers, but it's important to note that some airlines don't allow smart luggage on their flights due to the lithium-ion batteries used in these suitcases. Water purifier bottle. A water purifier bottle is a great investment for travelers who want to stay hydrated and avoid buying single-use plastic bottles. These bottles use a filtration system to remove impurities and make the water safe to drink. And there you have it, our top 5 gadgets for smart travelers. Remember, these gadgets are meant to make your travels more comfortable and enjoyable, but they are not essential. The most important thing is to enjoy your trip and make the most out of it. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, thanks for watching.